So today we are going to solve a problem on palindrome number, which is generally asked in various examinations. So here on Coding Ninja platform, we are given with the problem statement. Let's check whether a given number n is palindrome or not. So palindrome number is simply a number which is same from both ends. That is from the rear end and the front end both have same digits on counting on orders. So let us see, here's an example, 151415. So on reversing we get the same number. See, 51415 gives 51415. So we have to check whether the number on reversing is equal to the original number or not. So here we are given with the snippet. So first I have to import a module, a package. So this import utils dot star uh, com- comprises of all the major modules which are available inside the package, so we can use within the code. So first we will need to define a scanner object. So we will define it like scanner sc is equals to new object, that is new scanner, and we will take output from the system. So system dot in, and this is where we here we will close it with semicolon, not with the curly braces. So here we have created the scanner object. Now we have to take single input, that is the number which we have to check whether it is palindrome or not. So we will take input n, or number, you can define any variable, that is sc dot. It is a type of integer, so we will use next int, and here we will try to get the number. Let us copy this number into another variable. So we will create a original number called variable, and we will store the value of n in this. Now let us create a variable called temporary. So it is with type of int, and let us initialize it with 0. I would tell later why we have created a temporary variable. So let us see first logic. So what's the logic behind palindrome number? So for example, a number is 257, for example. So I have to reverse it, and it would be like 725. So I have to go through the number and take out each single element from backside. So first we will move to 7, then we will get 5, and last we will get 2 and reverse it. Now what's the process to do that? So this can be done using modulus operator. So modulus operator gives us remainder. So if we will do, for example, remainder equal to n modulo 10, it will give us 7 as first output. And now we have here 7 is in 10th position, and we have to move the 10th position into 100 for this example. So in temporary we will do a logic like temp into 10 um, plus remainder. So initially temporary is 0, so temp equal to 0 into 10. that is 0, and we get the remainder 7. So 7, that is equals to 7. Now in the second iteration we will get remainder equals to n on, and now the number here after getting temporary 7, we have to make our number from 257 to 25. As we, if we iterate the loop again, we will get 7. So this is not the ideal situation we want to have in our code. So we have to make our number 257, that is 225, 257 to 25. So we will do a line of code that is n equals to n by 10. So that is, it will give us the quotient of number that is 257 divided by 10. So the quotient will be 25, and we will use this number 25 to iterate the next step. So here let me write logic. And so on the next iteration number becomes 25. Okay, and again I will do the same step, that is remainder equal to n modulo 10, sorry, modulo 10, which will produce me the output like 5, and we will get the remainder as 5. That is remainder we have got from this n equal to 25 is 5, and we will now update the temporary variable. Now the temp is already containing the value 7. Here we can see that temp is containing the final value as 7. So now temp equal to temp into 10 means 7 into 10 plus remainder, and now in this case remainder is 5. So we will get the output as 7 into 10, 70 plus 5, that is 75 as output. Now on performing the same steps again, now in this next case, first we will do n equals to n divided by 2 for making our number from 25 to 2. Now again our n is equals to 2, and remainder will be also 2, and temporary will be 75 into 10 plus 2, that is equals to 750 plus 2, that is equals to 752. Now we can see that 257 is reversed to 725 for this case. So this is the logic totally which I have explained. So how we can reverse logic for reversing the number. So this is the logic how we will reverse the number. So let us write down this into code. Um, we will write this uh, write down in this code in Java format. So first let us make it comment. We will comment it. So we will use the first we will slash asterisk, and we will use to asterisk slash, and we will write the temp after temporary. Now we have to perform this operation, this complete process until let me write here only, until the number is greater than 0, and loop will terminate when number becomes 0. So here we have move again. So we can use for loop and while loop both. I am using here while loop. So while number is greater than 0, and in while loop we will implement int them equal to remainder I have to calculate. So we will do n modulo 10, which is give us remainder, and we will update temp equal to temp into 100. I have explained the logic why we have done so, remainder. And finally we will do n equal to n divided by 10, so get new number in which we don't have the last digit which we have excluded from it and saved into the variable called remainders. Now we on this total code had um, reversed sing our number. So after this we will would like to compare. So I have to compare the number either both are equal or not. So now we have updated the n. That's why I have saved the n's value in another variable called original. So we will use here original equals to if. Now we will compare if, and temporary is our variable which is containing our reverse number. So if temp equals to or original equals to temp, we would simply produce output system dot out dot print. Here we will use print ln and put just true. Let us see whether we have to give yes or oh. So here we have to give true false, and else we will give the same output here. Control C and control V I have doing here, and I will make it here false. So this is the complete logic for um, palindrome number. Let us check this out whether it's come run or not. Oh, so I have made a mistake here. Let us see. Oh yes, I have made a mistake here. I have defined here temp, not temp. So let us update it. And again I have ever got spelling error. So it will be system. Let us run it again and see we have solved all the test cases. Now we will submit the code. Compilation is done, and yes, all the test cases pass. So this is how we perform the code for palindrome number. This logic is very important, how we have performed the total reversal of the number. And I have explained all the three cases here, that how we can reverse the number completely. I have shown here. So this example you can use, and that's all. Thank you.